Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee to avoid sleep. To start, choose dark roast coffee beans, as they often contain more caffeine. Grinding your beans just before brewing is crucial for freshness and flavor. For a strong cup, aim for a coffee-to-water ratio of 1:15. This ensures a potent brew that will help keep you alert and focused throughout your day. Next, let's talk about brewing methods. A French press or an espresso machine are excellent choices for creating a concentrated coffee. Ensure your water is hot, ideally around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for the best extraction of flavor and caffeine. Allow your coffee to steep for at least 4 minutes. This extended contact time helps pull out more of those invigorating compounds you're looking for. To truly maximize your coffee's kick, consider avoiding additions like milk or sugar, as they can sometimes lessen the stimulating effect. It's best to drink your coffee relatively quickly after brewing to experience its full, immediate impact. If you need a rapid energy surge, a double shot of espresso is a fantastic option, delivering a concentrated dose of caffeine efficiently. Finally, let's discuss strategic consumption. It's most effective to drink coffee when you first notice signs of tiredness, rather than waiting until you're completely exhausted. Consider consuming smaller, more frequent doses throughout the day instead of one very large cup. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking water alongside your coffee. This supports overall well-being and helps prevent dehydration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.